Today we'll be talking about the Media Library. First, hover over the Media tab, then click on Library. Here you can see all the images we have. If we needed to find a specific one, we can use the search bar in the top right. Another option we have is filtering by type. Click on Filtering, then Media Type, then the item type. There are a ton of other filter options too. Now let's add a file to the library. On the top of the page, there's an Add Media File button. This gives us an option to directly upload files. We are also able to just drag and drop files into the box if we want. After that, we can edit the image we uploaded. Click on the image and you'll see options like alt text, the title, a caption, and others. Simply fill out any of these fields to change them. After the image is ready, we can add it to a folder. A quick side note, in order to use folders in the media library, you must have the WP Media Folder plugin installed. Either drag and drop it into the folder or use the bulk select tool to move several items at once. Lastly, if we need a new folder, there's a button in the top left that does just that. Type in the name of the folder and press Create. If you want more WordPress tutorials like this, subscribe, and also check out our page to see our other tutorial videos.